Starbucks. Alright, Anish, you can go ahead and turn it on. Right when they pass by. Is that with the baffles open? Really? That's pretty good. You can just leave it, let it idle now, I guess. What's up, guys? Welcome back to RaceSpec. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and as you can see behind us here, we have Anish's Supra Launch Edition. I did a video on it right when he got it, like a long time ago. But apparently some of y'all have been commenting, wanting updates on the car. So that's what this video is, an update on the car. We're gonna tell you what we've done to it, what's new to it, I guess, as well as I'm gonna ask you what you wanna see from that car. We are plotting some stuff, as always, and you guys will love it. For all those that are watching Super Snake videos, there will be those, of course, as well. But we have other cars, it's not just a truck channel. So yeah, enjoy. We're gonna have him do a cold start on the car right now. Well, cold-ish start. It's like it's not a warm start. So you got an exhaust, by the way. Casual wheels. Cool. We'll turn it on now. All right. So of course, what's up, man?
What's up? Great.
So what's going on? What are you looking at? There's always some. Oh, look at them too. Those people are just mobbing down here, which is dope.
Yeah, dude. We just saw BC.
Was that BC in the Pagani?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, sorry you didn't see the Pagani. I was having issues with my camera, but BC just passed by in his Pagani apparently. Isn't that guy from New York? What's he doing here? Whatever. Doesn't matter. But yeah, anyways, here's a Supra. He's got a Takeda. Is it an axle back?
It's an AFE axle back. No downpipe yet.
No downpipe.
Waiting on some other parts that are coming. The big turbo and all that. Shaw will do later down the road.
Oh no way! You're gonna do a big turbo.
Yeah.
Big turbo guy.
So that's coming. Right now it's just wheels, tires, drop, and tint.
Sick. So yeah, we got the AFE. Oh yeah, it says Takeda by AFE. Yeah. So it's the AFE exhaust. You just have the car clear broad, ceramic coated too, right?
Thank you, Kelly, for the Nitto tires.
Oh, she actually hooked it up?
Yeah, she hooked it up.
Oh, it must be nice, dude. Freaking. So I got a little dilemma with that. Not with Kelly. She's bae like 4 years ago. But anyways, when we did yoga class, it was fun. but yeah, dude, we might need drag radials for the Super Snake, and only Nitto makes them in 22-inch. There you go. So Kelly, I might be taking you out for coffee sometime soon. But yeah, it's in the way. But yeah, he did these beautiful Vorsteiner wheels with Kelly tires, aka Nitto tires. Yeah, dude. So we got the. See if I can get some better angles. I'm like wearing glasses, so I can't really see what I'm filming. But yeah, obviously you got like the beautiful. We got mobbing down this time. A C63 and an RS70. Everybody here always wilding. But yeah. Alright, so you got wheels, tires, a little bit of tint, some clear bra, exhaust. This is the cleanest Supra I've seen, man. It's weird, even though people get them brand new.
But even this, you notice this is not factory. This is all spiked up.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks to Rhino.
Tinted out, right?
Thanks to Rhino.
Thanks to Rhino. Did they just clear bra the front, or was it the entire car?
They clear bra just the front because I didn't want the whole car done.
It's ceramic coated though, right?
It's ceramic coated the whole way around.
That's why it looks so freaking clean, dude. It's crazy, man. Looks really good. Freaking Vorsteiner killed it with these wheels. They're 20s, right?
They're 20s. 20 by 9.5 in the front, 20 by 10.5 in the back.
How's the quality on the wheels? Would you recommend Vorsteiner?
I love Vorsteiner. They're the best wheels out there right now.
Awesome, dude. Well, that's good to hear because I'm sure a lot of our subscribers would be interested in that, you know?
Yeah, and that deal me and Ray got going on is...
And there's the Pagani, guys. There it is. Isn't he known for crashing exotics?
I have no no idea.
I think he is. Is he the one that crashed the Gambala?
I don't think that's the guy you're thinking of.
Different BC?
It's a different BC.
There's
There's a different BC.
There's-
That's a BC Pagani or whatever. I don't know what. But
The Pagani BC edition.
That's a BC edition.
Oh, not like the guy BC,
Not
but
the guy
Ben
BC.
Chen or whatever his name
no.
is.
That's the.
Why you gotta confuse me like that, man? Like,
Yeah, whatever.
that ain't fair. Yeah. So, anyways, beautiful Supra. We do have a draggy now. So perhaps we can meet up one of these days and do some draggy runs. We can see what. It doesn't have a tune yet, right? So.
Stock.
All right. So does the exhaust add any power to it?
No, it just adds noise.
Just adds noise. All right, perfect. So it's basically a stock Supra. We're gonna be putting it on a draggy. We'll see what it does. 0 to 60, eighth mile, quarter mile, down in Mexico. We'll look at AMG GTR or just a GT. No, it's an SLS. I guess this is kind of a car spotting video too somehow. But oh man, this is my favorite place ever. Freaking Newport Beach, bro. I would like refuse to move from here, dude. I freaking love it. This is, by the way, guys, this is literally what I do like every Saturday or every like weekend day I have off when I'm not trapping. We get Starbucks down there. What's up?
When you're not hustling, trying to make that money.
Yeah, dude, man. Like this ain't cheap, man. Like YouTube is not paying the bills, and we got like a fatty payment to make on the Super Snake. We dropped like 15 grand in mods, and we're still modding this freaking car somehow. So yeah, we gotta
Coming soon.
Coming soon. What did it say? Yard hounds? Nah, that's the 488. We want the nice one. We want the 458.
We want the 458.
Oh, big boy. But yeah, we just get coffee and then we ended up back at the cars because my phone was dying because I forget to charge it overnight because I'm me. But yeah, so I'm like, dude, he actually told me, he's like, people are asking on your channel and for an update of this car. Apparently, I wasn't getting the notifications or the comments on that video for whatever reason. So I was unaware. Well, of course, our friend Anish reminded us, so we had to go ahead and do that for you guys. So yeah, here's the update video. I mean, I'm sure you guys know what a launch edition is if you guys see it. If you guys have seen the other video or whatever. Obviously, we have like the red interior, all that jazz. My phone's being wirelessly charged down there. This one's number 237 of 1500, which is always Gucci. And it's always cool how like the Supras work. Like you open up the door, like you can't open up the door. But anyways, you're gonna break into your own car. See how big it is? Like it's crazy, man. Toyota Supra. You're making me want to buy a Supra, bro. But we just bought a Super Snake, and we can't be stupid.
We can't be stupid. We can't get any more cars.
Yeah, no, except for that one car.
Yeah, except for that upcoming car that you guys don't know about.
That you guys don't know about. That you will know about. Oh look. The freaking, what do we call him again? Sasquatch? Or freaking, no, I called him an ogre. I forgot what I called him. I called him something. But the bike guy. Daniel guy. What's he bumping? This guy's going hard. Well, why is he doing like a 920? What is he doing? It's madman, dude. I think he's looking for the Pagani. What? Oh yeah, it's shitty parking job too. God damn. But yeah, guys, here's a Supra. I'm gonna have some fun on it with a draggy. Someone actually just offered you 70 grand cash a couple days ago. You gonna take it?
Nope.
Good. The car's paid off, so we got that. And we got the photographer slash bike condom guy, Daniel over here.
Don't put this shit on video, man. It's embarrassing.
But yeah, guys, let us. What's up?
Is that Andy?
No. This is the nice one. She has a stupid two-door one. But yeah, guys. Anyways, we're gonna do one quick last walk around the car. But thanks for watching. It's just a quick update video on what we've done to the Supra. Overview: front clear bra, protective paint film, ceramic coat. Yeah, I guess slash car spouting. Ceramic coat film all around the car. AFE axle back, or I guess you would call it, or cap back. We got the Vorsteiner wheels, beautiful wheels by the way, with the red caps. Nitto Kelly tires.
SSR.
And SSR.
SSR for doing the work.
Yeah. We shout out to SSR. We like you guys, especially you, Shaw. I'm gonna drag the shit out of your 570 pretty soon. All right. See you guys later. What do we got down there? Cop. Yeah, there we go. There's the babies. There's the babies. Damn, dude, that guy was jamming. I think he's like, bro, I was gonna go to EDC Las Vegas, but then COVID hit, so I couldn't go.
You guys got shit without me, huh? You gonna vlog me, bro?
What's up, dude, bro? What the fuck?
What's up, man?
Dude, pull over. It's been a while.
Yeah, I know, bro. I'm actually heading out on my buddy's Lex boat right now.
Oh, really?
I went to the butcher. I got some meats and shit.
Oh shit, man. Any luck selling the ZL1?
You know, I've only had on Craigslist in the forum, but I got a guy in Seattle.
Yeah.
He's pulling some money out of his house, and if he said if the rate's not good enough, he'll just come like get a loan for his own loan. So we're working on it, but if it don't sell to him, I'm gonna actually post it on cars and Craigslist and stuff.
My buddy Daniel, I actually told him to buy it.
Hell yeah, man.
Hey,
It's
buddy.
as scary as it gets.
He's fucking yeah. Maybe we can do a video on it if that'll help you sell it.
Yeah, thanks, man. Whatever. Definitely hit me up soon, okay, Ray?
All right, cool.
Nice seeing
I
you.
love the truck, dude. That's just
Thanks,
badass.
I'll catch you.
Later, brother. Oh shit, it's a diesel.
Yeah.
Damn, he balled out. Nick, don't play.
$70,000 truck.
Nah, that's like a nice one. That's probably 90, dude.
Is your car on?
Yeah, my phone's charging. All right, guys. With that, I guess ZL1 video coming up soon to help Nick Solati sell his car. Peace.